Welcome back to Balabas Gist. You don't read though. I said the Operation Ga-Achi launched by the governor of Anambra don't start already. They carry many houses down. Anybody now will be say maybe somebody you rent house give person. The person now go thief something for outside. They catch am. Or more they say your house go down. Or the whole native doctor and there's a one for inside Anambra. They go see collect for inside this matter. But to get wetin we want talk for this video, I go first play the video for you may you watch. And before we come back, can't talk many things. But before we play this video, let me tell you one thing. Dear Governor, His Excellency, Governor Charles Soludo, sir, I believe you are educated. I believe you are one of the people that have traveled. I believe they are the one of the professors. I believe you are somebody who is knowledge. So we can do more better. You understand? Yeah, the law is okay. It's okay. But there is something that I want us to adopt here. When you go to the Western world, when you go to the Europe, America, and other countries that develop today, do you know how the community government, they say they call community, like if anybody who rent house in Anambra today is the community who give the person the resident. If the community who see the welfare of the people in that community to make sure that everybody is okay. Do you know how they get many properties? Is by maybe if somebody did something that person, you want that person to go to court and nobody will take care of that house again, the community will take over that place. If the person win the case, they will give it back. If the person did not win the case, they will use that place as a housing, as a place they can use to help other people who don't have a house. I believe there is many people that is homeless today in Anambra State who are sleeping in the street, who don't even own a house, and they are be looking for a way to government to help them, but the government cannot help them. So those houses we are destroying, that you find a kidnapper in one certain building, for that you go and destroy the building. This is foolishness. We should wise up. We should do more better. If you catch any criminal, then persecute that criminal. If it is criminal who own the house, collect the house, let the house belong to the government. And the people who don't have a house, put them there with the power of the government so that they can have a home where they can stay. While that person is facing his own judgment over there, we can do more better than destroying the one, and the people cannot even build to help people in that. This is how it works in Western world. So some people have let me say community government who, if they need any help, they will not go there. You can even use it as a rent. The money you get to rent, use it to help other people who don't have. This is how it works in Western world. So I don't understand this pattern of demolition a house. It is not going to stop crime. If you do not catch that person who committed that crime, he may choose to live elsewhere and be doing more, causing mayhem in the farm. But if you get the person red-handed, you catch that person, then take over the place, take over the house, use it to help the government of Anambra State than destroying it. We should learn more better than all these things we are doing. We have passed this stage. We have passed this stage. So I don't know how black people reason, but however, let me play the videos for you to watch before we come back and continue.
I like happy Sunday to everybody. Everybody knock it out when I see getting all Casa to the government area. And then the Operation Ga-Achi, the security outfit Anambra Chamber. I am here on the authority of the governor of Anambra State, Governor Charles Soludo. I never can go see na governor can na governor determine if na Anambra can na governor natural kidnapping, armed robbery, drug, hard drugs, illicit drugs. Na ihe ndị ọzọ niile ma ndị na
the phase one of the building has been shut down by Ga-Achi. Anambra, Operation Ga-Achi. Solution is here. If you see something, please try to say something so that Anambra State government, Ga-Achi Chamber, will do something. Second building is about to go down now. Ga-Achi Chamber, Operation Ga-Achi, Anambra State government is bringing down the kidnappers there where they hide their victims. Because one of the buildings has just been concluded, brought down. The next is phase 2. The second building. This is it. That tank, bring it, you will smash it. Never go back, swap. First, Anambra ga-adị mma. The solution is truly here. The only solution to kidnappers. The building has been raised down. The building has been raised down.
My wonderful people, don't forget to see there for Balaba GC. Here, where would they bring your one news as it they happen? I beg, may you drop your own opinion for this video where you just watched. Let us see if it is the right way where the governor supposed go to stop crime in Anambra State.